Hey, you beautiful person. I want to say to you, enjoy life. Don't be restricted by religious ideas or condemnation and crap. Enjoy your life. What do you mean, Johan? Yes, go out and have a glass of wine, have a beer. You know, go to the beach, have fun with friends. People invite you, strangers. Oh no, I can't mix with them because they don't really believe what I've. Go out with them, man. Have some fun. Show the love and the life of Jesus. There's a book by John Crowder. I can encourage you to read it. God, Money, Sex, Beer. Pretty cool, So, because we don't understand that we can enjoy everything, enjoy being intimate with your wife, and have fun. Man, be adventurous in the bedroom. We can enjoy beer, glass wine, again, all in moderation. Have fun with this stuff. Go out and freaking have motorbikes and scramblers and whatever, and run and enjoy life. Have fun with people, man. Having good music. What music? Just Christian music? No, man. Rock and roll, metal. I love all of this kind of music, man. Yes, you can write Christian music, but there's such a divide between Christianity and secularism. There's no divide. God fills all in all. The Father fills all in all. We divide stuff, and then we want to have an outlet with certain things. And when we do certain things, we feel condemned. Go out, man. Gym, run, play, have fun, meet new people from other religions, others, and start just being friends with them. Stop trying to change them. Just love upon them. Francis of Assisi says, preach the gospel, and if necessary, then use words. But no, preach the gospel, and if necessary, use words. So the whole gospel is actions and love. We always hear oriented to change them, to get them to Jesus. No, just love upon them. If they change or not, it doesn't matter. Just love upon them. And they will change when they see the love of Jesus in your life. Just do that. I want to say to you, man, go out there and have fun. No condemnation. Have fun, Have fun. Enjoy life. Enjoy the good things. Good music. Good movies, man. Friendships from other religions. Other kind of stuff. Other cultures and stuff. Enjoy it. And love upon these people, man. Okay? As the Lord works with you, He will work with them in due season. Don't try to be mission oriented all the time. Anyway, have fun this weekend. Have great experiences this weekend. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. And just show the love of the Father, man. And just, enjoy things with Him. Again, all in balance, in moderation. Jesus was in between sinners and killers, and He was murderers and tax collectors and stuff. So yes. But just enjoy, love them. Okay? Love you. Bless you. Like, subscribe, comment.